everyone! It's our first and last video for today. And guess what? I brought all my Freddys to celebrate. All the Freddys are in this room right now while we're recording. There's Golden Freddy, me, Toy Freddy, Shadow Freddy, Nightmare Freddy, and Wacko Freddy, and Jumbo Nightmare Freddy. So, let's get into it. I told these guys what we need to do, so... Wait, what does that mail do? Oh, you just collect it. And try to keep the comments to a low, because we want to get as much done in this as possible. Okay, Freddy. Thank you. Thank you, Shadow Freddy. So, the thing we have to go into Tinker's house. Tinker's house? Let's check the whale first. Whale, buddy, do you have anything for me? Oh, a diving bell, okay. Even though I only see one diving bell and that's the one I came through. Maybe find another diving bell? Okay. So guys, how do you like our one video for today? I don't really like it personally, but I could do well with it. Except I really like to make videos. Yeah, I know, Toy Freddy, but some things have to be done. So, let's continue. Tinker! Give me your man again. Yes, we can finally get the quest that my father told me to get. We can do it, guys. Okay. We can do this. We can do this. Just believe in yourself, guys. We can do this. Yes, we did it. We did it. There are a lot of unusual things. Explore until you come across a rare sight. We did. We saw the weird thing here. Right where we are. I saw the frog thing. And we saw the strange creature at the very beginning. Remember him? The stranger that we found? So, we have all these items we could use now. Since we don't have anything else to use them for. So I'm just going to keep them as trophies unless I need to use them. Which then I will use them. So we gotta work on that bird now. We just need a little bit more wood. Or two. Okay, so yeah. We gotta work on stuff here. So yeah, we gotta work on stuff. Another thing we have to do is, we have to work on that tiki bird. It's kind of hard to make because we need lots of wood. Tiki bird, give me wood. Okay, we should have. Okay, we just need 3 more. Okay, so Hippopotamus gave us the star. Okay, so We gotta get that word. I wonder when we can get that word. Okay, I think we have enough. Let's just check a little bit more. More mail. Take the mail. Okay, that's as far as we can go. Let's add. I just need 2 more. So what are we at on wood? So we need to get a couple more trees down. And yeah, I'm gonna go to another room so you guys can see. So yeah, things could happen. Things are happening. And things are happening fast. Like the fact that pretty soon, other things are gonna happen, like we're gonna, I can't quite remember what we're gonna do after this when we build the tiki bird, but I know something's gonna happen. Okay, come on, water that tree, water that tree. What are you doing, tree? Okay, we gotta make it up to 50 or 60. I prefer 60, so I'm gonna go up to 60. And, let's just keep the mini-games there. I think that's the last quest, so let's actually use them. For tree powerness. Tree power. Okay, so that got us pretty far. Nom 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 nom. Nom those trees down. Hold on. Hippopotamus. No? No coins? That usually happens all the time. So now we finally have enough. After a painfully long amount of time of collecting, we should have enough. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's build it right here. Okay, go. Now we should have done it. Yes, we did. Finally. Okay, Billin, we haven't had a feast like this since we hid in that giant horse and delivered ourselves to Mr. Chipper. It was all good fun. He didn't need a big house like that anyway. I was just encouraging him to get fat. Yeah, he set fire to the mountains after that. What a jokester. Now, I know this may seem like a lot of ask, but we would sure enjoy eating some red tiki wood. If you would be kind enough to build us one of those red tikis for us, we would sure be grateful. Thank you for the money, and I'm gonna go and build you a thingy-mabobber-doodle hammer brick. If I know how to build it yet. Do I? No, I do not. I do have no clue. Across the reverse side. I don't... Okay. I'm confused. Mentally and physically. I have to find something rare. So 73, 43, so many coins I have. Okay, I'm confused. I already have one of you. A rare size. Well, I guess we're gonna have to find this rare set somehow. Okay, I got captured again. Buddy, what are you doing? No, why would I buy a grape? I have plenty of grapes. I still want to know how you get past this day, because the day isn't ending anytime soon. We don't need that there anymore. So, let's go check out these guys. Okay. I can build more lumber bots. I can build a lumber bot 2.0. Let's get rid of this lumber bot right here. We don't need him anymore. And we just built the same thing. Okay, great. I need to build him. Give me your coins, sir. Give me them. Yes. How many coins do I have? Yeah, 48. Great. That's great. What are those monsters everywhere? Oh no. Okay. Okay. Father, talk to me. Walk with me. Whoa. Okay. I saw a rare sight apparently. Build me a lamppost. Okay, I don't know how I saw a rare sight, but I guess I did. A lamppost. Oh. A lamppost. You really want me to build a lamppost, sir? Chipper, is your mind still okay? Because I don't know why on earth you would want me to build you, one of the most useless contraptions in the entire world, but sure, go ahead. Okie dokie. What do I need? Oh yeah, I need to talk to my termite friend to get a fisher's net to make that lamppost that my father wants me to make. And I'm still confused how to get the rare sighting, because I apparently got a rare sighting, which I didn't know that I got. Okay, we need to buy one of these, thank you. And we can't buy one of those giant jumbo acorns, but we can try it out later. So yeah, we made some progress in this episode. So, we're all gonna say goodbye when we're done with this episode, because we're all extremely sad that we need to take a day off. Why can't we build to that point? Oh yeah, we don't have enough petrified wood. I bought an extra fisher's net. Okay, that's sad. Oh, we gotta hurry. Sorry, we don't have time to kill the monster. I don't know, I just talked to him. Okay, now I should have enough. So let's go. Hello? Okay. Build it right. Okay, I did it. Oh my gosh, that gave me so much. I know this place is really right to a Seabill statue. Seabill! Okay, we can finish the day. at the very end of this. So yeah. Welcome back, kiddo. I'm sure you've made a few friends around here by now. Those tiki birds could be pretty useful, can't they? It's fun to ruffle their feathers from time to time. Tinker the owl has lots of old parts that I used to use, like old robot parts and such. And the frogs are pretty much useless. I'll start teaching you some really interesting stuff now. Keep gathering up those rare parts. Speaking of rare parts, I set you up with the real looker tonight. Go brush your teeth. And we got an acre of land and a plan, and we got a weird look on her face. Later that night. Okay. And we got a sea star. I'm clingy. Yeah, I would back away if I were you too. So, that wraps up this episode for today. Bye guys, I hope you loved it. Bye guys, bye guys, bye guys, bye guys, bye guys, bye guys. We'll see you in the next one, which is tomorrow.